Hi everyone, my name is Arpita and today I'm going to demo on the feature related to Alias type. And next I'll come to the functionality of deleted and default destructors and operations. And finally I'll demo on support of dependencies in enumeration and interfaces. So coming to the first feature, which is alias type, which we have introduced in this release. We have included alias type as a new UML element. So if it is in the package level, we can simply add one type alias from our context menu option. So as you see now, I have this alias type package, and I go to the general tab, as you see here, that I have introduced one new alias type. For backward compatibility for not generating the C++ files, the previous versions we had simply this data type UML element, and in that case, if we don't mention the alias type, it will behave the same way as the data type. So for the current versions, we have this alias type, which we can specify as in this label value, and we can generate the C++ code. Similar to any other UML elements, we also have the dependencies tab for alias type, and we can also add headers and implementation preface code snippets whenever required. Along with that, the main advantage of alias type is to have a template parameters, as you see now. So in this alias type PKG, we have one template parameter, which is of type class. We can use this alias type as an attribute type. You see we have a class 1 alias, where the attribute 2 is of type alias type package. So let's start the code generation for the same. So I'll simply build this. So we are not going to check the model compiler support for code generation. Okay. So as you see now, if I go to the, we can also navigate from this context menu option to the generated file for the alias type. So let's go to the header file. As you see here, it includes the code for dependency inclusion as well as the code snippets in the header. And the code generation also includes this using alias type package and the template parameters as well. So this is how now the header looks. I'll also move and show how the C++ generated. Okay. So as you see here, the CPP file includes implementation preface code as well. So, any questions on this?